substantial high bandwidth 32GB RAM to smoothly run your games and photo and video editing applications, as well as multiple programs and browser tabs all at once. A flash-based 1024GB SSD has no moving parts, resulting in faster startup times and data access, no noise, and reduced heat production and power draw on the battery. The AMD Ryzen 7 5800H is a processor for big, gaming laptops based on the Cezanne generation. The R7 5800H integrates all 8 cores based on the Zen 3 microarchitecture. They are clocked at 2.8 guaranteed base clock to 4.4 GHz turbo, and support SMT hyperthreading, 16 threads. The chip is manufactured in the modern 7nm process at TSMC. Compared to the 5800H, up to 54W, the 5800HS is configured to a TDP of 35 watts. 15.6 FHD screen, 1920 by 1080, offers crystal clear images. 1920 by 1080 resolution showcases your games and HD movies with impressive color and clarity. Anti-reflective finish reduces eye strain and widens the field of view. Backed by 4GB GDDR6 dedicated video memory for a fast, advanced GPU to fuel your games. NVIDIA Optimus technology optimizes the laptop for both graphics performance and battery life conservation. Built-in HD webcam with microphone, backlit keyboard, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, 3-cell lithium-ion battery, Windows 11 Home 64-bit,